Hello and welcome. In my last video about the GamePort adapter, I promised you guys a raffle where you could win one of these two adapters. And in this short video, I would like to announce the winners. First of all, thank you very much once again for your support. Meanwhile, the channel crossed the 20,000 mark and I am super excited that I could wake up the interest of so many people. Thanks for watching to every one of you. Now to the raffle. To participate in the draw, you had to answer my question and write into the comments which joystick I was using to play Wing Commander Prophecy in the video where I introduced the GamePort adapter project for the first time, and which switch settings for that joystick are the right ones. It was important to write the settings in 0 and 1 notation as they are listed in the project documentation. The right answer was of course the Microsoft Sidewinder 3D Pro, and the coordinate switch settings are 1110. There were quite a lot of right answers, so let's use the comment picker and see who will be the lucky one. I already inserted the link. Just in case, let's filter the duplicate entries. And I think I saw at least one answer in reply. Now here is why it was important to use the 0 and 1 notation for the switches, exactly as it was written in the documentation. I will filter all the comments for 1110, so all the other answers in words or with dashes will be ignored. And we have 55 participants. I am glad to see such a high interest. Now let's pick the first winner. And tada! It's Jacob Evans. He wrote Sidewinder 3D Pro, recognized it even through the pixels, 1110. That's right, would love one of those. Not only for the Sidewinder wheel I have at my parents', but even the Sidewinder gamepad. They were revolutionary. As a kid, I think it came with motocross madness, and wheels could be done with 6-axis motion control, and that same feature only came out on PlayStation like 20 years later. Unreal that this brings them back to life. I'm in Berlin, if you are nearby. Well, the answer is right, and the first adapter goes to Berlin. I guess Jacob Evans is then probably Jakob Evans? Well, if you see this, I'm very glad that you even have two devices which could be used with this adapter, and I hope you will have a lot of fun with it. Congratulations! Now let's see who's the second winner. And it is no one BRC with the comment, unfortunately I threw my old joysticks away as there was no simple way to use them anymore. Wow, that's a pity. Also, there are good Logitech USB joysticks that aren't supported from Windows 7 on. I wonder if there is a solution for them as well. I think so. I don't know if a solution exists, but I don't think it's too complicated to make one. Thanks so much for your contribution to this scene. Your channel is definitely a pure gem on YouTube and you deserve to be huge. Well, thank you very much. The joystick you used was a Microsoft Sidewinder 3D Pro with the setting 1110. That is absolutely right, and we have the second winner. I don't know to which part of the world the second adapter will go, but I hope it will bring some joy wherever it will eventually end up. So congratulations to the both winners. Please write something into the comments so I know that you've watched this, and I will say you how we going to proceed. I will wait for a week for your feedback, and in case of no response, I will have to draw another winner, so don't throw away your chance. And for all the others, thank you very much for participation, and please don't be sad, maybe next time you will be the lucky one. And this is it for today, all the best to you, and I say thank you and goodbye.